Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Seltos S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.